It's 5:16 a.m. We're about to board the flight to Hong Kong, and we've got about an 8-hour journey in front of us. Hopefully have a little sleep and then head into Shenzhen once we meet up with the rest of the team.
Welcome on board. Thank you. ANC, that's right, please. Thank you.
When we get off the plane, we're going to find our buddies from Canada, make sure they got here to Hong Kong safely, give them a big hug, and find our driver.
What's going on, mate? Hey! How are you, man? This is Mojo. I'm Jeff.
It's me.
Charles is just with.
I'm Charles Alex. I'm head electrical engineer. And yeah.
Look what I got, guys. Okay, take the one off the top.
Okay,
Alright, top. Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
We enter the bachelor pad.
Yeah, baby. Don't cuddle me too tight.
So we got into Hong Kong last night. We met up with the electronics engineers from Canada, Charles and Jeff, and we then went out for dinner with Fabian, the project manager. We obviously had a successful Kickstarter campaign, and because of that success, Fabian's marketing team approached us and offered their services. And Fabian's a great guy, and I knew he was the right man for the job, and ever since then we've been working together on making the Raptor 2 a reality. So we need to build 500 Raptor 2s, box them up and get them delivered this month. The risks here are that some of the parts are not usable or the tolerances are out, and we just can't piece enough Raptors together, and that could delay delivery if we've got to rework parts. So yeah, who knows what's going to happen. Fabian's going to come and pick us up this morning. We're going to head to the battery factory, then to our assembly factory and QC all our parts and get ready for assembly. Do you reckon we can charge an electric skateboard with this? Maybe. It'd have to be a big plug. Ah, smooth criminals. Look at these guys.
So this is the battery supplier. So we have been developing and selecting, visiting for Jason, for Inertia.
This is our battery testing room here. And follow me, yeah. This is the testing room, and we do have for every machine. We do have a 32 machine testing port for all the batteries. As you can see, all the battery cells can be put here, and for capacity and wattage. This right upstairs is for the production line. This is our production line. Maybe I can show you something. This way, maybe I can show you something about our machines to test the battery. Also here for the battery cells. This is our automatic spotting machine, and for these machines, we can spot around 1,000 pieces battery packs every hour.
We're just building a battery from start to finish, to check all of the internal processes that are perfect. It's a very high shock environment, lots of heavy impacts, shocks, vibration. The stronger this is, the longer the battery will last, in my opinion. Eliminate any chance for warping or being damaged. I want it to be military spec.
So we are in the assembly factory. You have the assembly lines. The way they will do all the assembly from the start to the packing, including the test. And so there is all the parts that will be used for the assembly. I mean, a part of it at least for now. So we will first check how the parts fit to the product.
Okay, an update. So we've literally opened all of the boxes here, expecting everything to be here, and 98% of everything is here, but some things aren't. So unfortunately, we're not building any boards today, but we're QCing everything. We're making sure there's no obvious problems, and if there are, we've got to get them fixed urgently. So we're at our motor factory and we're just overseeing the processes for installing the magnets. You can see the worker here, he's got a special jig designed to lay the magnets in the perfect diameter to slot inside the barrel. This is a Hall sensor, so the motor can start very, very easily from 0 RPM, full torque, and get you moving without any stuttering or any jerkiness. So we're just winding the stator using the robotic machine so it's more accurate and it's much quicker. The stator goes inside the motor and it's basically where the electricity runs through it, through coils, to generate torque. These are the boxes we've been waiting for all week, basically. It's a critical part of the entire assembly, and it's left us hanging the battery case. We've got everything, which is good. We've got the battery box, which we've been waiting on, more E-trays. Our aim is to get 4 built today at an absolute minimum. And test the software, test our runway, feedback to Nico if there's any settings changes that we think need to happen with the brake or any of the settings basically. And yeah, start building the actual Raptor with the actual case and start riding. Feels like today actually is the first day where we're not just taking one step forward, we're taking another and another and another, and then we're gonna have a board. We're gonna be riding the thing. Moja's gonna be great at creating some footage of it. It's very exciting, very happy and feeling positive. In a few more steps, we'll be actually assembling this onto the deck with all the electronics in it, and we will have our first Raptor 2.
We have a little surprise for Jason. He doesn't know that we have the first prototype, first production board working right now. So I'm just putting on the final screws and we'll surprise him.
This is the first time I've seen every single part, every tiny part that I've designed for 6 months. It's the first time I've seen it actually together in one place, built, and it's awesome. Very special moment. Wow, a Raptor 2, first one off the production line. Feels amazing, smooth as butter, and looking forward to build the next 500. Our week is drawing to an end and it's been crazy. It's been worse than I thought in a lot of ways. It's been harder than I ever imagined in a lot of ways, but if it was easy, everyone would be doing this. Yeah, I guess I was a little bit of an amateur to think we'd just come here and make it all happen in 2 days and sit around and have fun. I mean, it's hard. We're not going to stop until we get the best electric skateboard on the market, and we're getting close. It takes time, and we always want it to be quicker, but that's not possible sometimes. And we're making some breakthroughs, and what it means is we can just build product and put it in the box and send it to our customers and let them tell us what they think.